Now today we'll focus on the another anion, that is nitrate anion, and in this we required these reagents. First of all, you see concentrated sulfuric acid is being there, copper turning is being used, and this is the salt that contains your nitrate anion. So I'm not telling you this salt, that which salt I have used, but this is the salt which contains the nitrate anion. So I have just used this thing. Also you have to use the test tube stand, and the test tube and the spatula is being required. So we'll take this particular salt which contains the nitrate anion, and we'll put it in this test tube. Now you can see that I have put the salt in this particular test tube. Now we'll add the concentrated sulfuric acid with the help of the dropper. You can see we are using the salt and that contains the nitrate ion. Now I am adding the sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid for the test by the side of the test tube. You will see that later on the brown fumes will obtain. So you can see the brown fumes are there in your test tube. It's been coming out. So this is the test, how the brown fumes are. This brown fume is because of nitrogen dioxide. Fumes that is coming out from the test tube. Now if you add the copper, this is copper turning, and we are adding the copper turnings. You can see the extent of these brown fumes are increasing, right? So when you are adding it, you can heat it also with the help of the burner, and you can see the brown fumes are coming out from it. So you can see we are heating it and the brown fumes are coming out more fast comparison to earlier conditions. Now you can see from the test tube how it's happening. So this is the test of the nitrate which you have to do, and you can easily see that the fumes are coming out, and the brown fumes that is coming out, this is because of your nitrogen dioxide is being elaborated out. So this is the test for the nitrate which you have to do. Ring test is also there, but in our course ring test is being not required. So we'll do this this copper turning test is important for your ISC and ICSC.